How to fix YouTube error 403. Now I will tell you to clear the cache of YouTube, but most of the time it doesn't work. So just delete YouTube and reinstall it again. This resets your settings and all the thing, and it should fix it. And if you're using VPN, do not use it. Using VPN causes this error, so just switch your network connection to normal. And if it's still appearing even in normal connection, switch to your data connection or to other Wi-Fi, okay? And it should work. If it still doesn't work, what I will suggest you to do is just see if YouTube servers are offline. Sometimes YouTube server goes offline so that they can fix their issue. So in that case, the only thing you can do is wait and nothing else. So just wait until they're online, and once they're online, try to use YouTube. It should work. And if it still doesn't work, the last thing is open your settings, click on where it says general, scroll all the way down and click on transfer or reset, and click on reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's password. It's going to reset all your settings and it should be fixed. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.